What's up, y'all? Silverbow here, coming at you with another video. Sorry it's been a while. I've been doing some just been working a lot and stuff, but I got a special treat for you guys. Oh yeah, we got another unboxing, something super special. Something I like to call a silver treat. Yeah. Oh yeah, from my boys at SD Bullion, of course, you know. Now I tried to get the last year's version of this, but they sold out before I can get it. So I wasn't gonna miss out on this. Oh, before I get into this, let me show you guys a little something I picked up like a couple weeks ago. Oh, yeah, look at that. This is another Canadian coin. Yeah. Not something little, just a little something, but. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, look at this. Ah. Oh, look at that. Oh shit, let me get my gloves. Oh, excuse me. Jeez. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Lucky Dragon from Scottsdale, Mint. 8.88 ounces of silver. Oh, this has like a little. Oh shit! Look at that. Look at this. Oh, ooh! Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow! Look at that. Something special. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to come at you guys with a bug out bag video. I really need to do some work on my bug out bag because I haven't even looked at it in a while. So I'm gonna try to get that done for you guys this week too. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new little inquiry. All right, peace out.